How does the machine know to send back anything fake? And keep track of how much you've paid. The machine deciphers coins with pinpoint accuracy. Light sensors measure the size, and electromagnets detect the metal type, identifying the coins in split seconds and sorting them into columns, diverting fakes to the reject chute. When change is due, the columns carefully release one coin at a time, tumbling into the chute. These 85 parts work together to count 15,000 coins a year and release your snack at the touch of a button. But when you're hungry, there's nothing more frustrating than your snack getting stuck. How do today's generation of vending machines make sure you get your treat every time? Hidden behind the keys. A computer orders one of 32 matchbox-sized motors to turn the spiral 360 degrees. As the snack falls, it breaks a line of 10 infrared beams. If nothing crosses the beams, the computer makes the coils turn again. With this ingenious technology, you'll always get your snack and never leave hungry.